In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Activecampaign. To get started, sign in to your Activecampaign dashboard. Once you are inside your account, look to the navigation menu in the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Apps. This is where Activecampaign keeps its available integrations, and it is the place you will use to connect external tools like Calendly. After the Apps page opens, use the search bar or browse the app directory to find Calendly. When you see it, click on the Calendly app to open the integration page. This page gives you access to the connection settings and lets you begin linking both platforms together. Next, go to the top right corner and click Add an account. After that, click Connect. This will launch the authorization process and open a pop-up window where you can sign in to your Calendly account. In that pop-up, enter your Calendly login details and then select Connect to Calendly. This step allows Activecampaign to securely access the Calendly data needed for the integration. Once the authorization is complete, you will be redirected back to Activecampaign. When the setup window appears again, click Continue. This moves you to the part of the setup where you decide exactly what information you want to bring over from Calendly. At this stage, you will see a drop-down menu with your available Calendly event types. Choose the specific event type that you want to sync with Activecampaign. This is important because it helps make sure the integration only pulls in the meeting type that matters for your workflow. For example, if you use different booking pages for consultations, demos, or onboarding calls, selecting the correct event type will keep your automation more organized and accurate. After selecting the right event type, click Continue to confirm your choice and complete this part of the integration setup. From there, Activecampaign will be connected to Calendly for that selected event type, helping you keep your contacts and activity aligned between both platforms. As a quick tip, take a moment to double-check that you selected the correct Calendly event before finishing. That small review can save time later and help avoid syncing the wrong bookings into your Activecampaign account. That covers everything you need to know.